back in YouTube channel, and in today's challenge I'm going to be taking the pistol only challenge. Not all, I mean, it's the light ammo only challenge. So let me just here. It's flaming there for a second. So I'm going to change it up a bit by taking the ODM gear instead of the kinetic blade, because I'm also bored of getting the kinetic blade every single day, every single time whenever I play Fortnite. So yes, I'm right here. Please don't download. Please. I left that kinetic blade behind because of this ODM gear, and if there is no ODM gear, I'm good. And if there's no ODM gear, I can't even bro, what the heck? There's no way. Why you calling for me? Submission gun, not the submission gun, baby. I can't even fall. I'm so dumb. Bro, why am I like literally that dumb? I have to pick up a weak health first. Bro, I'm so dumb. So dumb. Okay, as I told you, it's going to be light ammo challenge, and there are lots of boosts here. Please eat this quickie and run away, Baba. Oh bro, they are fighting already. What's the problem? They're fighting for weapons or something. Okay, let me just run really quick and get my loot. I want a lock-on pistol really quick, because the lock-on pistol is also a weapon that uses light ammo. Wait, can I find a lock-on pistol? So lock-on pistol is one of the easiest weapons to find, but the time I'm posting this video, it's not the easiest. Okay, quick. Okay, I got a key. That's great, I can get a better, I got out of this submission gun. It's not bad. Only a lock-on pistol is the thing I needed. Bro, they are fighting so bad there. Okay, I feel bad for them. Like, I don't know how they are still surviving, but I don't think so how they are. Bro, I'm so bad at building. Oh bro, one guy took one of the kinetic blades. Not bad. Oh no, okay, now I have some mobility, at least. Okay, I'm going to finish these guys out. Bro, these guys, that's not the real shit. Okay, let me just break this down really quick. Oh bro, I need bro, combat. Why? Okay, where are these people fighting? Okay, now the second one I need want them to fight this one. Like, the funniest things to happen. Where are they now? Like, they're fighting, so like came from there to there, and they are still now not gone. How is that possible? Okay, somehow in the universe they did it. Okay, they're still up. Oh bro, that would have been risky, that would have been really risky. Oh! Bro! Nice kill, not bad. Good thing I have this footstep right, bro, or else I would have died there with ease. Okay. So the first... Bro, hello Goku. My bad. Oh bro, not working as planned. I'm doing great. A jelly bean. Okay, now I'm gonna be great. Bro, 2 kills. I think I killed him with the SMG. Okay, great. So now I have to kill him with why very clear? Why very cut? Why did you come here? You're coming here for some reason that I don't know, right? Bro, these people are killing me. Okay, good thing I ran away from there. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do would be to get that slow that guy, Goku guy had. Quick, brag. Someone is landing? Bro. Is he landing like now? Or was he landing before? Not sure. Let's find out. Oh bro. Good thing I had the pistol because the pistol is like a long range weapon, of course. I'm literally scared now because in the fact that there are like millions of people right there makes me scared, bro. Where's he shooting from? I hear fighting from there. Oh, hello my man. I have to kill you with this thing, right? Kill you with this thing. Do I have ammo or not? Bro, these guys are here, but I can't see it. Okay, this thing is gonna play risky. Please, bro, die. Because I have to do. Okay, now run in my pal. Bro, I am having 0 ammos. Bro, how am I supposed to survive from this catastrophe? Bro, this is a catastrophe. I am like the worst thing you can ever possibly think of. I am like, I can't even kill. What the heck? Run, my man. Is that spot pistol? Bro, what is this? Please take a look. Oh, I found a pistol. Oh, that gave me 20 ammo. That was not bad, but not great also. I can kill one guy with it. Bro. Okay, don't want to beat these people because they are like literally so hard. Try hard, people. Okay. What a key. Can I get a good pistol or something? A good, yeah, I want that. I am the only one who's like literally dumb enough to do that. Can I literally jump right here? Okay, that's great. Okay, not bad. Okay, I'm like literally scared right now due to the fact that people are like literally running behind me for no reason. Bro, I am like literally shocked. Like, when I'm having 0 ammo, people are like running towards me. Like, you just might have seen me like literally go through 3 people without getting any damage. That's NPC, yeah. NPC, don't scare the bejeebus out of me, bro. I'm already scared due to the fact that people are running behind me. Okay. There's just a chicken. There is just a. Bruh. Okay. Bruh. I want to go with that spirit. Are you serious, bro? I need ammo. I came here for ammo. I can't take ammo because there's no ammo. Okay. Is health important or something? Okay, bro. I have to. Bye. I missed you to the date. I wanted a rhodium gear, but I was not able to. Due to you. Bruh, who is that? Who is shooting at me, bro? Are you serious, bro? Oh, is he having an explosive? Bro, he's having an exotic weapon, I guess. I don't want to kill him really easily. Bro, don't scare me. Don't scare me. Don't get scared. I'm scared. Oh, because of him I got some ammo. Okay, so I have killed people with weapons that are out. Why am I being shot all of state? Oh bro, are you freaking serious? Or is that a person or not? Bro, I'm like literally missing shots. That bad. I'm missing shots that bad. Okay. Bro, I'm missing shots that bad that I'm ashamed when I miss. Oh bro, he's going in there. Let me just reload really quick. I know that guy is literally inside that building. He's trying to lure me in there. Oh bro, that guy is actually running. Bro, what's the problem, bro? Are you just scared or are you just something? Bro, wait a minute, bro, wait a minute. Bro, wait a minute. Oh, bro. Oh my god. That guy could have killed me right there. Oh, he had a smart pistol. Wait. He had a smart pistol and stuff. I get to have a guy like that. Because of that guy. Because of that guy, I'm like alive. Because of that guy, I'm alive. Because of that guy, I'm alive. Like, I got the smart pistol too. Bro. Okay, I'm literally so happy that I'm alive. Okay. But the guy might have been like literally saying like, oh my god. I'm like literally surviving, bro. I'm a survivor. So as I told you, I have to get the kill with the lock-on pistol as well, and I have to reach top 20, and I am in top 20 right now. So and if I am able to get the kill with the lock-on pistol, that's compared to a win. Okay, guys. So be I don't want to get sniped because I want to win this challenge. So yes, it's like a long-range weapon. Bruh. That's all. Let's go. Okay. First things first. If I get lucky, that's lucky. 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 Bro, what the heck? Oh my god, I was not able to get my badge or shotgun. I mean, I was not able to even get my badge. Sure, shotgun. Oh, the guy's coming here. See that guy? This guy's doing. Let me just kill him once again. Just pick him up. Bro, what were you thinking, bro? What were you thinking? You kill me easily? You think I'm a like a noob here? Oh, he had some good loot. Okay, he put my shotgun, that's for sure. And I am like literally not happy at all. I need one! Run for your life, my pet. Oh, combat here. Somehow in this universe I'm not gonna get it somehow, and I still need to go. Okay, I have reached the top 20. This is also compared as a win. Let me just try to get a win here really quick. I'm having food. Okay, not bad. What about full steel? I don't have full steel. Okay, not bad. What about? Well, the lock-on pistol is my favorite one. Literally, did you see how bad we all got killed? This can be compared as a shotgun. This can be like this is like a long range weapon which you can like literally do 20 damage, 21 damage. This is like the best weapon in the game. Okay. Sorry, Steelake. I think you are bro, Steelake, are you able to save me? Are you able to save me? Bro, please. In like 20 seconds of time, bro. Okay. Submarine gun. But I don't need this really quick. Let me just pop this up. And let me just run. Let me just run for my life. Bro, that was SD like you saved my life, bro. I really love you. Bro, what the heck? I'm so bad at building. Well, if I meet people, that's gonna be bad. Let me just jump on that. Fly onto the top of the building. Tryhards, bro, tryhards. Bro, I'm dead. Okay, one of the worstest builders in Fortnite. And my name will come to the first place, bro. One of the worstest world builders in the game right now. My name will come first. Okay, I'm in Mega City. Okay, the most funniest part about this, the boss is not killed yet. Okay, the chances of me getting a legendary loot, like a legendary SMG or something, could be high. Oh, I need ammo really quickly. Actually, yeah. I'm not a big fan of it. Remember, guys, if I die right now, it will be known as a win. Why am I going the wrong way? Reverse, bro. Reverse gear. Let me just jump off the building and let me just go up. Up and up I go. Oh, bro, that was great. I love snipers, but I can't use them because of Minecraft, that's why I don't do There are 18 seconds, 14 players, and I'm oh my god. Bro, go through here. I'm like literally risking my life due to the fact. There's so speed. Oh, that's me. I literally stand here for like a moment or something. Let me meet you guys in the top 10. Okay, let me just get Austin. Bro, I'm doing great. Okay, if there's one comes to me and I'm gonna be scared, I'm scared. I don't see any place so that I can jump scare them. Oh, bro, that works. Bro, funny things, bro. Please be the border. Please be the border, bro. I want to sit here for like 2 minutes more. Bro, no. No. Okay, let me. Bro, I'm bugged. Bro, I'm bugged. Bro, I'm bugged. Bro, I'm bugged. I'm bugged. I'm bugged. Guys, I'm bugged. Guys, I'm bugged. Bro. Bro, I'm bugged. Are you serious? Bro, now the storm is gonna lock in there. Bro, the storm? Oh, bro. What's this? Bro, the Fortnite realm in the future. Bro. What the? Am I able to win it or not? That's the question. There are 12 players left. I guess someone may get let's win. Bro, I can't throw them also. Bro, resources. No? What about my whistle? Not bad. What happened? I am not able to like literally use my keyboard or my controller to work. Bro, it's nothing there. What happened? What happened, bro? I'm bugged. I'm seeing the whole map. Okay, I'm bugged. So guys, if you want me to do this challenge, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel right now. And I'll see you guys in the next video.